a sincere performance, but open to finding the moment, to finding out where I'm headed now. Looking for a sign of disaster, so I can make it there faster. I'm weighing the consequences out. I can see in all directions. It's all open to interpretation, but I see colors that are breaking from the other side, the other side. When I make mountains out of summer trails, when I buckle under all the details, I'll keep going till I make it to the other side, the other side.
What's up guys, today's video is sponsored by the Ronin Factory. They are a giveaway company located in San Diego. They give away custom Ford Raptors every couple months, and I know I would like one of them, probably you do too. They partner with amazing charities each giveaway. Over the last 2 years, they have raised over $2.5 million for charities like Make-A-Wish, Meals on Wheels, Wounded Warrior Project, Freedom Service Dogs of America, and many more. They are currently giving away a 2020 satin black wide body Ford Raptor plus $20,000 in cash. A percentage from each order will go directly to Freedom Service Dogs of America. This charity is a little bit closer to my heart, as dogs are a huge part of my life and have made a huge impact on me. So I can fully support this charity that they are working with. Ronin Factory has incredible products, from truck accessories to car wash products to even coffee. I will put the entry schedule below in the description of the video. Not only do you receive entries when you make a purchase, but you also get to partner with Ronin Factory in giving back to Freedom Service Dogs of America. Thank you for sponsoring this video, and let's get back to the action. On our way to the trails in Crow's Nest Pass, we passed through the town of Frank. The Frank slide was a massive rock slide that buried part of a mining town back in 1903. Around 110 million tons of limestone rock slid down Turtle Mountain and onto the town of Frank. We are going on a trail for the next couple days. We are doing Racehorse Pass. We also might go behind Frank Slide and find some trails as well. We just got into the town of Frank, and we're gonna go to our hotel now, get ready for tomorrow, and then we're camping for 2 nights. Jared gets to test out his new rooftop tent. Pretty exciting. Me and Matt aren't as fancy as Jared today. I'm sleeping in the back of the Lexus and Matt's sleeping in the back of the FJ. So sit down, crack a cold one, and hopefully you enjoy today's video. What's up guys, we just got to the start of the trail. Super excited to do this one. Even just the start looks pretty gnarly. I know we're on the BC side and we're going to the Alberta side, and I know it's pretty steep on this side, but we thought we'd start with the harder bit. So the vehicles are just behind me. We're airing down and super excited to get going. We're all aired down to 12 PSI roughly, and should make for a little bit smoother ride. We ended up switching things up, and instead of doing Racehorse Pass from the BC side, we decided to do Deadman's Pass from BC into Alberta, and then the next day we were going to do the Alberta side of Racehorse Pass. This just worked out better, and we heard a lot of good things about Deadman's Pass. If you're local to the area and want to do either of these trails, I do highly suggest them, but I'm not going to give you the exact locations. If you do your research, you will be able to find it pretty easily, and they are between the town of Sparwood and Crow's Nest Pass. One of my favorite parts about this trip was the time of year we decided to go. All the trees were starting to change colors, especially once we got deeper into the trail. The first part of Deadman's Pass starts out pretty mild on the BC side, but that does quickly change to where I would suggest having a lift, bigger tires, and skid plates on your vehicle at the bare minimum. If you come to do this trail in the later months of summer, just be prepared to scratch the side of your vehicle because the trail can get pretty overgrown. This was the point where the trail started to get quite steep with lots of loose rocks and debris, but if you take it somewhat slow, you'll be just fine. As we continued on, there was lots of different routes we could take, but some of these were quadding trails that led to nowhere, and it's hard to tell when you're in the middle of nowhere and you've never been here before. But this is where my Gaia GPS really came in handy. I downloaded the maps for this area ahead of time and tried to plan out the route the best that I could. Felt sketchy.
Super close to the edge. Yeah.
I would consider this trail more of an overlanding experience with some mild to moderate off-roading. There was times that I wish there was some harder obstacles, but overall, I had a blast exploring a new place. I think it's important to get out and push your limits by exploring farther and farther from where you live. I know we can all get stuck in a rut sometimes exploring the same trails that are close to where we live from time to time.
How's it going?
Pretty sweet. This trail is awesome. Lots of pinstriping though.
A lot of pinstriping.
Yeah. The other side of my truck, yeah, we're not doing so good.
No, me either.
But it's all part of the experience, you know.
Oh yeah. How's it going?
Good. That yeah, something in the front left suspension sure clunks.
It's clunking?
It's the body mount.
Yeah.
Not too bad. That hurt. Both sides.
Oh yeah, that last part was gnarly.
Oh, it was late.
Yeah, all of our vehicles are now fully scratched.
All right, so we came across this down tree on the trail. It's like 3 o'clock now. We've been on the trail for like 6 hours, and we gotta get this tree out of the way. So we're gonna winch it with the Lexus, and we're just like cutting the bigger branches off right now. Then we're gonna cut it in 2 pieces and get it out of the way.
It's old.
That's why it fell over. Watch out, Jared. It's going.
Oh, that was it. Oh, it's close. Now,
Very close.
if me and you can. Oh, we can't. Oh, wait, leverage.
Wait, roll it. Yeah.
Once we get into the 2 more pieces, it will be able to just move the whole log.
After getting the tree cut up and moved out of the way, we proceeded on. This is where things got very overgrown and scratched the sides of our trucks pretty bad, but that's okay because it's all part of the risk you take when exploring new trails.
Looking for a sign of disaster, so I can make it there faster. I'm weighing the consequences out. I can see in all directions. It's all open to interpretation, but I see colors that are breaking from the other side, the other side. When I make mountains out of summer trails, when I buckle under all the details, I'll keep going till I make it to the other side, the other side. Can you tell me the secret of how you can take it or leave it? How you can blend in with the crowd? I'm so scared, so damn afraid to look. I'm so sick of talking. I'm wearing